The President addresses ZANU-PF's the 381st ordinary session of the Politburo, emphasizes collaboration, discipline, and patriotism. Sanabana mashoko obuda chitogwa panapa aiwa nemutungamiri wenyika pa the Politburo meeting yakanga iriko yesterday. Patona kuti aiwa vanhu voya vapuwa chipuwa zvirango vachinzi aiwa they must exercise collaboration, kuva discipline, nokuva patriotic, not for subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tipina panapa pamudanyo pamuchinzi ZANU-PF headquarters Harare. The ZANU-PF Politburo convened for its 381 ordinary session earlier yesterday, with the President and First Secretary, His Excellency Comrade Dr. Idi Mnangagwa, addressing party members on critical national issues and the party's strategic objectives for the year. This session focused on reinforcing unity, addressing recent losses within the party, and outlining plans for ongoing development in Zimbabwe. The session opened with a moment of silence to honor the recent passing of several relevant party members, including Major General Ted Solomon Siziva, Comrade Cheni Chimtengwende, Ambassador John Mvundura, Comrade Justin Mbamanga, and Comrade Tinaye Chigudu. In his address, President Mnangagwa emphasized the importance of unity within ZANU-PF as the party prepares for an upcoming conference. He urged members to remain focused and disciplined, stating that greater zeal, focus, and hard work are required from every member of the party for us to achieve our set targets. The President reiterated that the strength of the party lies in the ability to work together toward common goals. In quotes, unity, loyalty, and patriotism to our leadership in the country are essential for the realization of Vision 2030, he declared, highlighting the need for the party to demonstrate its commitment to ongoing infrastructure development, agriculture, mining, and tourism. He stressed the importance of youth engagement in realizing the Sabc Vision 2050 and urged the youth to promote unity and purpose. The session also addressed the upcoming 45th Independence Day celebration set to take place in Gokwe, Midlands Province. The President encouraged the party machinery to prepare for what promises to be a memorable event, emphasizing the significance of national unity during such occasions. On the regional front, President Mnangagwa provided an update on ongoing efforts to address conflicts in the Eastern DRC. The 381st ordinary session of the ZANU-PF Politburo set the tone for a year of renewed focus on unity, development, and the ongoing implementation of the party policies aimed at improving the lives of Zimbabweans. As the party gears up for significant events and initiatives, the emphasis on collaboration, discipline, and patriotism remains central to its mission. With a clear vision of the future, ZANU-PF is poised to navigate the challenges ahead while honoring the legacy of its fallen heroes and embracing the aspirations of its people. Doma shukwana mdana nyoko pana pa Mzimu Global Media. Aiwa vachiya vataura mashoko aiwa the speech yakadeliverwa nemutungamiri wenyika yesterday in the Politburo. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Tiona aiwa vakomana the ruling party vachihida up for 2030. Ina kumeseli chemedu tudze mafungiro enyu. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.